Welcome back. So today we'll look at paper 21 of the May-June 2023 series. Okay, so we'll start with question 4. It says a function replace. This takes three parameters, a string being the original string. Then we have an original character and a new character. It says we want to form a new string from the original string where all instances of the original character are replaced by the new character. Then we just want to return the string. So yeah, basically this is just a string replace function. And I mean, if I give you an example here, let's just say we've got AAA, let's say B and then C or something. Well, what's going to happen? Let's say we want to replace this A with Z. Well, then basically that's going to go to this. I guess like three Z's, like this, right? So here we would just be replace A with Z, and of course that's what's going to happen. Right, so let's just go ahead and start coding this. So we want to go function, then we're going to say replace, and the parameters, it says the original string, so that's going to be of type string. Then we have the original character, and we also have the new character, and these are going to be type characters. And now here then we want to return a string, so we're just going to go returns and let's go string. Now what we can do, basically we're going to want to declare a variable which stores the kind of new string that we've created, or the string that we're going to concatenate to. So let's just go new string. This is going to be a string, and then we probably also want to store the current character, because we're just going to be looping through the string character by character, and if the current character is the original character, the one we want to replace it with, basically we're just going to go sort of the new string, and then concatenate the new character instead. So it's probably going to be helpful if we just have a current character, just to save us using mid too many times. And then what we're going to do, let's go new string, and we'll just assign this to be an empty string. And here we're just going to loop through each character in the string. So we can call this position. This will start at 1, and then we'll just go to the length of the string. And hang on, that's going to be the original string. And then I think probably here we can just get the current character. So to get the current character, we can use mid. The string we want to get will be the original string. And then here, this will be the start position. So the start position will just be this for loop. Because of course, we start at position 1, then we go position 2, position 3, etc. And then the number of characters we want is just going to be 1. And I think then we can probably just have an if statement. So let's say if the current character is equal to the original character. So this means if the character is equal to the one we want to replace, then what we're going to do, we're just going to concatenate to new string. So new string is going to be new string, and then and the new character. Because here we're saying if the current character is equal to the one we want to replace. Then we're just we're just going to replace it with the new character basically. And then I think we can just have an else, and here it's just going to be the same, but we'll just say new string. Instead of replacing it with the new character, here we can just use the current character. Because like in the example before, if let's say we're replacing A with Z, if we find another character, for example B, we want B to just stay as the same, so that will just stay as the current character. And then let's just go end if. Let's go next. Next position. And then let's just go return. We're just going to return the new string, and I think then just end function. That should be everything. And then if we just test this, so we're going to go replace, and let's get A, maybe B, C, and then some more A's, something like that. And here we'll just look for A, and we'll just replace it with Z. And moment of truth, see if this works. And so here we've got 5 A's and then 5 Z's. Guys, so I think this works. So hopefully see you in the next video.